Triage is the process of determining the priority of patients' treatments based on the severity of their condition. To access the triage panel, follow the following steps. Navigate to the clinical module and select triage. Ensure that you are signed in to the room triage so as to access the patients queued to the room. The patients queued to the triage panel are accessible on the triage mini queue. The queue will display the ticket number, OPD number, patient name, the room they are coming from, and the time they have spent in the queue. Select the patient by clicking on his name once. The patient's demographics will be displayed in the patient's details section. Fill the required fields and ensure you press the blue plus button to save. In the general examination section, select the examination, enter your remarks, and click the Add button to save. You can capture and record additional vitals to ensure all necessary information is thoroughly documented. Systemic examination is a comprehensive physical assessment of a patient's body systems to identify signs of abnormalities. Input the body system and give a remark. Check the flag is anomalous if the body system is abnormal. Click on the Add button to save. To add a procedure, select the procedure from the drop-down list and click on the Add button to save. You can type in the nursing notes on the nursing notes field provided. Remember to click on the Save button. Below the panel, there is the patient's previous visits section that shows the report of the patient's previous visits. On the Actions menu, you can perform the following actions. Make a lab request, make a radiology request, make a theater request, prescribe, view reports. For instance, visit summary and lab report for the patient. After entering all the required data and saving it successfully, select Queue Patient. Then assign the patient to the next room, such as the consultation room. On the note field, you can indicate a note you wish to communicate to the next room the patient is headed, and click on the Queue Patient button to successfully queue the patient to the next room.